So you can see sort of these little scratches right there. But they're not, what the biggest thing they're not is gouges like mine was and some of the Mississippi. They're just like roughness areas, which don't feel it on my finger, but I probably, when I get a Scotch-Brite pad or even really go at it with one of these microfibers, I have a feeling a lot of that's going to come up. Alright, so we're back. Jacob's already working on a thing.
Yep.
Trying to get the intake manifold off. He wasn't here yesterday for the gloriousness that we found out about the head.
Yeah, still kicking myself on that.
But he'll find out more today. That hose is probably holding it up. Yep. The brown one with the wooden handle? Yeah.
Oh my god, where'd you find this?
This is in there the whole time.
There we go. Okay.
That's a 10. Just listen to me, man. When I say it's a 10, don't even use a Phillips. Yeah. I don't know. You know what the other bar I had laying around for this thing was?
For this?
Yeah, it looks just like that. I think everything's disconnected.
Everything.
Oh, I didn't take this off. You forgot a bulb. I knew it.
Because it looked like it was just holding a bracket.
That's why it's DGR.
Yeah, you didn't have this on yours.
Yeah, I already disconnected this on mine.
That's why I was confused, because I was like, everything's disconnected. Turns out, emissions.
Yeah, emissions. This is Louisiana. We don't care about no fucking emissions.
And this car came from Mississippi. I was surprised I wasn't deleted sooner.
Good one. Touche.
Oh my god, it's a 10.
Yes. You put it up, let's say, didn't you put it in your pocket?
No, because I'm trying not to lose everything in my pocket.
Put it in my pocket. I put it in my pocket. Tell me. So if I'm correct, this is the actual EGR valve. This is the EGR diaphragm or something that's responsible for it too.
Something or another that we don't.
It's very complex.
Very complex.
because it was the 80s, and people were still figuring this stuff out.
AKA,
this emission stuff.
we're gonna delete it. Because historical plates.
Yeah.
And.
So that's why like Toyota and Nissan were doing so well, is because they were like getting ahead of this stuff, and also all their vehicles were like 1,000 pounds lighter than the Ford Chevys. So since theirs were like 1,000 pounds lighter, they didn't have to have as much horsepower, but they were a little more efficient with their horsepower. Hit the hammer, dude. Hammer the shit out of that. You know what's probably gonna happen? There you go. There you go. And it separates. Woo!
Oh, mother trucker.
What?
It's got a little thingy.
What?
Little clip holding another.
Oh, it's the EGR valve. I mean, the EGR valve, the idle air control valve.
Yeah.
Just cut it. Cut the hose. Grab my. Let's go. Just cut the hose. Cut it. Just cut it.
I'm cutting it. Cut it. It's cut. Oh shit.
It's this thing. Go. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Just cut those vacuum lines.
This totally won't bite us in the ass later.
The vacuum lines are cheap to buy. How'd you cut it? I told him, I was like, yeah, leave the harness. I might need to be able to get a fuel ejector clip out of it. So far, not so good.
0 for 6. Okay, that one's safe.
All right, we got one. That one broke. I heard it.
Oh my god, I was being ginger.
Unless there's like a ground being held on somewhere that you can't see.
No, I just gotta feed it through the.
Feed the smaller clips on you. Well, at the same time. Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah. On there. Work on the next one. My clean, beautiful head. You see me rolling with my DeWalt drill. Trying to catch me riding dirty. Hammer time. Whoa! Hammer time. Cool. Man, look at that. That pipe's all rusted. Look at that. Spin me right round, right round. There we go. Yeah, hop on. Look, I found another bolt. Only one bolt for a distributor.
Huh.
That's why I'm talking.
Yep.
So yeah, we're gonna pull these plates off because that one was all messed up, but this manifold has all 3 studs in it, so we're gonna use it. Oh wait.
What?
We don't need to take these off.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just that one that was messed up. Now we go back to 12. I mean, give that torque. Give that Galuzzo torque.
Yeah.
Yeah. For those ladies and gentlemen at home, Galuzzo is part Japanese, so he should be just like instinctually know how to take this thing apart.
You would think. They skipped that in daycare.
It's like, Carl, that's so racist.
That's. I've heard worse.
This is like a positive racist.
Yeah, exactly.
Positive racism. Wait.
No, we can't.
Positive racism. Like reading Rainbow thing. The more you know. That wasn't even it. It wasn't. It's like an alien bloodbath. Oh my god! Oh my god! Those remind me of alien bloods from the movie Starship Troopers. They were the insect creatures. They had like a bunch of blood. tech. And as a side note, always remember, take the bottom bolts off first, take the top ones off last.
Gotcha.
So after this, we take the bottom
Take
off.
bottom.
Yeah. Because when stuff, you just put it in that pan. There we go. Look at that. Cool. Put the nuts in. Yeah, so we took the plate off of this one. It has the broken stud, as you can see right there. The broken stud. And we're putting it on this manifold because this manifold studs didn't break. So we're going to clean up these studs before we install this vehicle. This way I won't have exhaust leaks. But eventually this will only be on here for a short time because then we're going to turbo. What's wrong?
This last bolt.
You didn't loosen it up earlier?
No.
Look, wedge it right here.
Got it.
Oh, you got it? Okay. No, wedge it. Look. See how it keeps spinning on you? There you go.
Because remember, it was so messed up, they left this one on.
Oh, yeah.
So, I forgot. Well, it depends if it's going on.
What?
What?
What? My turbo manifold? It's going on my turbo engine. You're going to learn to drive an NA Super for a while.
You gonna learn today.
I looked up the target top weight.
Yeah.
You got like an extra 200 pounds because of the target top.
It's all that hardware, huh?
Yeah, so that is reinforcement.
See, kids, this is why you don't get a car with a sunroof or anything, because weight saving.
Wait, what are we talking about? You don't have a car yet.
I don't have a car yet.
Shh, we gotta keep that a secret. That's a different
That's a whole
episode.
video.
It's a different video right there. So now we're gonna work on removing the head. Once we get done removing the cams and the cam covers, and we start to actually remove the head, I'll start rolling again. But till then, see you in a second. All right, try to wiggle a little bit. Yep.
Oh my god.
Came off real easily, huh?
Yep.
Okay, you can just leave it. All right. You got it?
Yep. So much lighter with shit right now.
Now you gotta spin it around too. Like, oh yeah, put it down like that. Yeah.
I love that it came with mounts.
Yeah. It makes it so much easier to grab it, huh?
Yeah. So much easier.
See anything wrong with the head gasket though?
No. Actually.
Well, these parts of the coolant passages, this is blown right here.
Yeah.
Between coolant passages.
Yeah, that's blown between coolant.
Well, but so that means these little areas weakened.
Yeah.
This one's all destroyed. I'll say this: it didn't blow a head gasket, but it was about to blow.
Yeah, it was really close.
It was probably a year.
You think? That was maybe.
Well, I don't know when the last time it ran.
Right.
Well, let's say it was driving up until October.
Right.
So I would say through this winter, probably blowing sometime in the summer.
That's fair.
That's what I'm gonna go with.
That's what I would.
All right, let's put this up. So now we're gonna just bolt this one back down onto here. I didn't notice that sledge before. Was that sledge there before?
What sledge?
Right here. We have commenced with reassembling this engine.
Yes.
Oh wait, we forgot the cams. Oh no! Ah!
Alright, we're rolling.
So we got this one valve that's being a bitch, and it's got to be hammered to get to this point, and it just does not want to come out. The exhaust went fine. The one intake was a little stuck, but not like this. I'm hammering it, it hasn't even moved.
Yeah.
It's so,
It's like it's seized.
yeah, holding it back. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to take this ceiling torch. It's not ceiling, it's propane, and heat up the head a little bit in that spot. Try to get it to loosen up. In case something happens where you're going. Just get some water ready to knock out this fire.
Got it.
Alright. So that didn't work out. Alright, so what I think we're going to do is finish the rest of these, and I'm going to call the machine shop tomorrow, and we might just bring it to a machine shop. This head, other than that, here's the thing, even if I get that out, I don't know the condition of the guide. Yeah, I think putting the claw hammer
Yeah.
bent it.
Okay. Putting a vice grip on it.
No,
No, no.
claw hammer.
Claw. Oh, right.
I put the claw part of the claw.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, so all we do is we have a magnet inside here. Can't really see it, but
Yeah.
it's sitting in there, and hit it. There we go. Now you see, it's undone. And just boop. That's it. And then the keepers are inside there.
Yep.
I usually get away with 4 of them before I have to remove the keepers. It's really hard to hold. It's so easy to hold it on this side.
Yeah,
of
but
the
it's
thing,
when,
but when this side's because my hand gets in the way. All right, so removed all the valve springs, guides, keepers, but only 2 intake valves came out. This one and this one. The rest, I'm pushing with my thumb and they won't come out. And I tried hammering number 2 cylinder and they got stuck too, so I'm stepping back from it. I'm gonna look into a machine shop that can clean this head and maybe get those out, because it looks like there's sludge built up really bad. And you can kind of see it how the exhaust is all golden brown and this side's all super dark. So there's sludge, and I think the sludge has caked on so much inside the valve guides that the valves are just, they're stuck. For a better part of a word, they're just stuck. So that's what we're going to look into for the next video. Anyway, so if anybody's ever, I'm curious, is anybody ever run into this whether it's a 7M or another Toyota motor, a Nissan or Honda? Have you ever had valves like this just stuck? Leave it in a comment below and see you next time.